KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Some beautiful weather across Acadiana today. Yesterday was a nice one, but today the humidity really came down. Felt good this morning. It's going to feel good again tonight through tomorrow morning. And some pretty nice weather as the week wears on, in spite of a little bit of a disturbance pushing on through midweek. Don't think we're going to see much weather with that system. And the next rainmaker probably not getting here till Sunday, so some time to dry out. So let's look outside, and Amos Sterling getting our video shot from the beautiful campus at UL Lafayette. Quiet over here before now the summer session's kicking in a few weeks, but blue sky out there today, lots of sunshine as well. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the satellite imagery, and here's that disturbance I was talking about. It's out by El Paso, producing some showers there. That will eventually be moving across the Lone Star State tomorrow and reaching Louisiana by Wednesday, but it's going to be really falling apart. So at this point, I'm not going for any rain chances, maybe just some clouds. Near term, though, lots of sun out there today. Look at all the rivers in flood stage from eastern Texas all the way into Mississippi. Across the area, the water level staying high and will stay high for quite a while. Even the Vermilion still at 11 feet, telling us the ground is super saturated. It's going to take a while for the water levels to come down across the area. No major flooding, but that water's awfully high. And of course, the Bonnie Carey spillway has been reopened again, and that was unprecedented, having that open twice in 1 year. Hopefully all the water levels will stay static and eventually drop with time. Temperature wise, got into the mid 80s this afternoon, 85 the official high, lower 80s right now across Acadiana. Offshore winds and seas not too bad, but they're breezier as you get farther offshore, where the remnants of that frontal boundary is going to stay through tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, a morning start in the upper 50s to lower 60s with fair skies. High pressure still in charge over the next several days. It's going to be dancing around between Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama during the course of our midweek period at the very least. Eventually, this high pressure ridge shifts off to the east. That's going to allow for a better return flow out of the Gulf of Mexico toward the end of the week, so increasing humidity and eventually a pretty good chance of rain and storms developing as we head into the latter part of the week and into the weekend. Most certainly, we're thinking the latter part of the weekend. We'll have more on that in the long-range models coming up tonight at 10. Tonight, though, enjoy temperatures mid to upper 50s. Air conditioners getting a break across northern portions of Acadiana, much of Acadiana for that matter. Right near 60 on the I-10 corridor. Lafayette, one of the milder spots, thanks to the little bit of the heat island effect. We're the bigger city in the area. And also, you have the swamp by the airport that also modifies the temperatures, especially at night. And we'll go lower 60s for the coastal parishes as well. A little bit warmer over toward Cameron, where you're right by the water. So tomorrow, after that cool start, we'll warm up nicely into the mid 80s tomorrow afternoon. Comfortable humidity. Notice that feels like temperature doesn't change a whole lot. Very light east-northeast winds. Those winds stay out of the east-northeast through tomorrow night. And then going into Wednesday, maybe a little bit more of an east-southeasterly component. And temperatures starting out in the low to mid 60s, topping out in the mid 80s for your Wednesday afternoon. So a very pleasant night, clear skies, seasonally cool temperatures. The normal should be 66. Will be 4 degrees below that in Lafayette, and up to 5 to 10 degrees cooler than that out in the country. Then tomorrow, another nice one. Lots of sunshine, comfortable humidity, 86 the high, 1 degree warmer than today. Temperatures gradually on the rise, though, in the 10-day forecast. There's that better chance of rain and storms coming Sunday. And look at the forecast going into next week. Pretty close to summer with highs in the upper 80s to near 90. That humidity is going to be up as well, and we may actually see daytime highs pushing into the lower 90s mid to late next week as a big ridge of high pressure settles in, and it's going to start to feel like summer. Summer, okay. And guess what? It's going to feel like that for the next 3 or 4 months.
Yeah. Right. All righty. Thank you, Rob.